Hello, this is Zachary from Zachary High Tech YouTube channel. Thank you that you are going to look for Horizon Zero Dawn and Cartoon Part 9. Stay tuned, keep watching.
Hardy little plant. You'll Anora village, up on the heights. This must be where the war party got massacred. Such destruction. The Nora managed to take down a corruptor. Lots of machines. All controlled by the killers. Maybe the Warchief left something behind, but not before the killers used it to send the other machines against them. Look at this place. It's like Varl said. Another massacre. They sent a stampede of...
Brave! Let us... The dead and wounded all cleared away. Are there no more Braves or healers here?
Just me. You're hurt. What happened?
I didn't. It's madness out there. Warchief Sona sent me back to report. I'm no good to her like this.
Varl told me that the Warchief tracked the killers. Did she find them?
We followed their trail, but again and again they sent corrupted machines to attack us. My wounds started to slow me down, so the Warchief sent me back to let others know she hasn't given up the fight.
So, you were here when the war party was ambushed?
I was. I thought after the proving there could be no darker day, but I was wrong. The Warchief was delayed gathering the rear guard. Eager for revenge, the Braves in the lead fell into the trap. Dozens lost in minutes. If Sona hadn't arrived and rallied us, no one would have survived.
Varl sent me to look for Sona. Do you know where she is now?
All I can tell you is where we parted. Near the metal tower, southeast of the ruins at Devil's Thirst. Look to the rise behind it with a lone boulder. I'll head for the embrace and report what I know to Varl and the others. May All Mother lend you strength. You'll need it, going alone.
Warchief stopped here. They must have taken a moment to rest. Arrow shards. Dressings for wounds. Couldn't have been easy, going on after the ambush. The runner wasn't the only one who got hurt. Braves were crafting ammunition here. Tracks. Roots and blood. Looks like Sona and her braves headed for that ridge. Oh boy.
You're lucky I happened by. One heartbeat more, and that sawtooth would have torn you apart.
Half a heartbeat more and I would have killed it myself. So you're Warchief Sona? Varl asked me to find you.
Has he held the gate?
He has, bravely. I saw him kill a corrupted machine himself. But he worries for you.
Our tribe needs strength, not sentiment. I've tracked some of the killers who struck the Proving. I crave vengeance. Do you?
You have no idea.
Show me then. Lend me your strength. Follow. The killers are just across this ridge, digging the cursed earth. The sin of the ancients is buried in that soil. Corrupter demons.
Snow's got a plano of them. I killed one at Mother's Watch.
A bold claim. I wonder if you'll live up to it. Hours ago, I sent braves into hiding in the trees below. On my signal, they'll attack. The enemy and their demonic machines outnumber us. But we will have fury on our side.
We could have more than that.
Explain.
That's Blaze. What we used to burn, they used to blast. It's how they dug out this pit.
So we put fire to it and then?
Boom.
Then let us begin.
Whoa, wait. Let's not rush. Give me some time to make an approach. If I end up alerting them, open fire.
All right. Let's see what you can do.
Heard something. I got a dead body over here. Nothing. Something out there? Not sure what that was. I got a dead body over here. I thought. Driving myself mad.
This wasn't all the killers. I counted more at the War Party massacre. If I have to chase their filthy shadows from here to Spear's Reach, I will.
You're hurt. Losing blood.
My health is not your concern.
No one doubts your determination, but you need rest.
She's right, Warchief. Give your wounds time to close.
Val, what are you doing here? I ordered you to hold that gate with your life.
And so I did, until the runner you sent returned with news of his encounter with Aloy and your location. I left the gate well guarded. My place is here, with you, with our vengeance. Am I not owed that?
Maybe I should have a look around. See if I can figure out where the rest of the killers are.
Do as you wish. Everyone else does.
Mother.
We did that, and we win. I found something. The rest of the killers are camped inside a ring of metal. Any idea what that means?
Damn them. The ring of metal lies in the ruins of Devil's Grief. That ground is taboo. I will return to the matriarchs, beg them to make an exception.
There's no time for that.
Blood spilled calls for blood spilled. If the ground is cursed, then let our vengeance sanctify it.
You blaspheme!
Please, Warchief, break the taboo.
Devil's Grief is a cursed place. But maybe Aloy's secret blessing can protect us. I'll send scouts ahead. Our force will assemble at the cliff above Red Echoes and launch our attack from there.
Sounds like a plan. See you there.
So, that was another part of Horizon Zero Dawn in cartoon. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And I have one question for you. Do you want to see more of these videos in the future? If yes, please like. But if you want to see some changes, like only the gameplay or gameplay with the cutscenes or only the cutscenes, just put in the comments, what do you want to see? What do you want to see to change so I can improve my content for Horizon Zero Dawn in cartoon? Because I can imagine that you don't like the gameplay or that's way too long videos and that you just, because of that, only want to see the cutscenes. You can also help me with my YouTube channel. Thank you. Thanks for your comments in the comment section. See you next time. Bye bye.